General knowledge. Some important questions and answers. Questions. Which is the longest running TV show? Answer: The Simpsons. Questions. What is the largest continent on Earth? Answer: Asia. Questions. Who created the character Sherlock Holmes? Answer: Arthur Conan Doyle. Questions. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Answer: green. Questions. What fruit is dried to produce raisins? Answer: grapes. Questions. What is the capital of New Zealand? Answer: Wellington. Questions. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer: Mercury. Questions. Who wrote the novel Moby Dick? Answer: Herman Melville. Questions. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer: Mount Everest. Questions. What is the most translated book in the world? Answer: The Holy Bible. Questions. Which bird is known as a symbol of peace? Answer: dove. Questions. In Greek mythology, who turned all that he touched into gold? Answer: Midas. Questions. What famous scientist developed the theory of relativity? Answer: Albert Einstein. Questions. What is the rarest blood type? Answer: AB negative. Questions. What animated character says, "What's up, Doc?" Answer: Bugs Bunny. Questions. What is the smallest bone in the human body called? Answer: stapes. Questions. Who is known as the father of geometry? Answer: Euclid. Questions. In what country would you find the Great Pyramid of Giza? Answer: Egypt. Questions. What is the capital of Brazil? Answer: Brasilia. Questions. What game features the terms love, deuce, match, and volley? Answer: tennis. Questions. What is the world's largest desert? Answer: Antarctic. Questions. Who was the oldest actor to receive an Academy Award? Answer: Christopher Plummer. Questions. Where did pizza originate? Answer: Italy. Questions. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Answer: carbon dioxide.